My name is Nina, and I've just recently had an elbow replacement with Dr. Riggenbach. It was on January 24th of this year, and my elbow is now working fine. I couldn't be happier. I broke my elbow in October of 2019 when I tripped on a wheel stop in front of a supermarket and suffered a triple fracture of my left elbow. And I couldn't grip, I couldn't hold my hand closed, and I couldn't stretch my arm out. And finally, in January of this year, I had a full elbow replacement, which is not a very common surgery. And so I now have a prosthetic elbow, and it's been great. It healed very quickly. The incision healed very quickly. I've had occupational therapy. I have my grip back. I have full movement, things I didn't have before, and my life is much, much easier. Now my husband's in memory care, and I can visit him every day and have a good time with him and take him out and drive and enjoy going to Dairy Queen for an ice cream and spending time with him. So I'm very grateful to Dr. Riggenbach, to Christina, who was always so helpful to me, his administrative assistant, to the radiologist who always entertained me, to the nurses who were so kind. And I'm just very happy that I had this surgery. And I say I'm an Orlando Orthopaedic Center frequent flyer because that was 3 surgeries with Orlando Orthopaedic, with Dr. Riggenbach. He is really great. He is so kind and considerate and caring, and I just felt like I was in very, very good hands.